Welcome to Microbe World. That smart device you wear constantly to monitor your health is actually a massive bacterial laboratory. You wear your smartwatch while sleeping, during intense workouts, and even in the bathroom without ever giving it a second thought. But have you ever stopped to wonder what exactly is hiding beneath that glowing sensor glass and that tight silicone strap? The reality is far more terrifying than you might imagine. A hidden universe thrives right there on your own skin daily. Every single day, your body sheds millions of dead skin cells, creating a perfect feast for unseen microscopic organisms waiting patiently. Combined with your sweat, this creates an incredibly nutrient-rich environment that bacteria find absolutely irresistible and perfect for their rapid multiplication. Your body temperature remains constantly around 37 degrees Celsius, providing the ultimate incubator for these tiny, unwanted guests on your wrist. This constant warmth and moisture turn the tiny space under your watch into an ideal breeding ground for various dangerous pathogens. Let us take a much closer look through the lens of a powerful microscope to reveal this bustling microscopic alien landscape. Beneath the sleek exterior of your expensive gadget lies a terrifying biological zoo teeming with millions of active, hungry bacterial cells. One of the most common residents found here is Staphylococcus aureus, a notorious bacterium known for causing severe skin infections worldwide. These golden-colored spherical bacteria cluster together like bunches of grapes, rapidly dividing and conquering the tiny crevices of your watch band. They feed voraciously on the natural oils and dead tissue your skin constantly produces, turning your watch into a dining table. As they consume these organic materials, they release toxic byproducts that directly irritate your sensitive skin over a long period. Have you ever experienced a sudden, unexplained itch or a mysterious red rash exactly where your smartwatch usually sits every day? Most people mistakenly blame these uncomfortable skin reactions on an allergic response to the silicone, leather, or metal of the strap. However, the truth is that this irritation is often a direct result of a massive bacterial invasion happening on your skin. The redness and inflammation are your immune system desperately fighting off the aggressive army of microbes multiplying beneath the watch sensor. Another frequent and dangerous visitor to your wrist is Pseudomonas aeruginosa, a highly resilient bacterium thriving in moist, dark, hidden environments. This particular microbe is incredibly skilled at forming thick, protective biofilms that shield it from regular soap and basic cleaning attempts. These biofilms act like an impenetrable fortress, allowing the bacterial colony to survive and expand even when you wash your hands. The intricate design of your smartwatch, with its tiny grooves, buttons, and sensor bumps, provides countless safe hiding places for them. Every time you sweat during a run, you are essentially watering this microscopic garden, encouraging an explosive growth of new bacteria. We diligently charge our electronic devices every single night, ensuring they have enough battery power to track our steps the next day. Yet, we completely neglect the essential hygiene of the device itself, allowing layers of biological grime to accumulate over many months. A recent scientific study conducted by microbiologists revealed a truly shocking and disgusting fact about our beloved daily wearable fitness trackers. Researchers swabbed various watch bands and discovered that they often harbor significantly more dangerous bacteria than a typical public toilet seat. Yes, you heard that correctly. The device you wear to dinner is statistically dirtier than the surfaces in a public restroom. Plastic and rubber bands are the worst offenders because their porous surfaces absorb sweat and trap microscopic debris much more easily. Leather bands are not much better, as the natural material acts like a sponge for moisture, creating a perfect bacterial haven. Even metal bands, while slightly more resistant, still collect massive amounts of skin cells and sweat in their tiny connecting links. The sensors on the back of the watch, designed to monitor your heartbeat, are constantly pressed firmly against your sweaty skin. This tight seal prevents any fresh air from circulating, creating an oxygen-deprived, humid pocket where specific harmful bacteria truly thrive. When these bacterial colonies reach a critical mass, they can easily enter your body through tiny, invisible microabrasions on your wrist. This can lead to painful boils, severe dermatitis, or even more serious systemic infections if your immune system is currently compromised. Think about all the different places your hands go throughout a normal day, touching doorknobs, keyboards, and handling dirty paper money. Every time you touch your smartwatch to check a notification, you are transferring a fresh batch of new microbes onto it. These new arrivals quickly join the existing microscopic community, creating a highly diverse and incredibly resilient ecosystem right on your arm. The warm glow of the optical heart rate sensor might even provide a tiny bit of extra heat to stimulate growth. It is a terrifying realization that our pursuit of better health tracking might actually be exposing us to hidden biological dangers. But do not panic just yet. You do not need to throw your expensive smartwatch into the garbage bin right now. The solution to this invisible crisis is surprisingly simple and requires only a few minutes of your time every single week. First and foremost, you must establish a strict routine of taking your watch off for at least 15 minutes every day. Giving your wrist some time to breathe allows the trapped moisture to evaporate, disrupting the perfect humid environment that bacteria truly love. During this break, take the opportunity to properly sanitize your device using a simple medical alcohol wipe or a damp cloth. Carefully wipe down the entire back surface, paying special attention to the raised sensor area where most of the grime collects. Do not forget to thoroughly clean the strap as well, making sure to get into all the tiny holes and crevices. If you have a silicone band, you can even wash it with warm water and gentle antibacterial soap for better results. Make sure everything is completely dry before you put the watch back on, as lingering moisture will just restart the cycle. It is also highly recommended to loosen the strap slightly during normal daily activities to allow for better air circulation underneath. Only tighten the band when you are actively working out and need a highly precise heart rate reading from the sensor. After a heavy workout session, wiping down both your wrist and the watch should become an absolute mandatory part of cooling down. By following these very simple hygiene steps, you can easily transform that dangerous bacterial laboratory back into a useful health tool. Let us dive deeper into the fascinating biology of these microscopic creatures to understand exactly why they are so incredibly stubborn. Bacteria have been evolving on this planet for billions of years, perfecting the art of survival in the most extreme conditions. When faced with a threat, like a quick wipe with a dry cloth, they simply retreat deeper into the microscopic scratches. They secrete a sticky, glue-like substance that anchors them firmly to the smooth glass and plastic surfaces of your device. This sticky matrix not only holds them in place but also traps passing nutrients, creating a self-sustaining microscopic city of slime. Within this slimy city, different species of bacteria actually communicate with each other using complex chemical signals to coordinate their defenses. This incredible phenomenon, known as quorum sensing, allows the bacterial colony to act like a single, highly organized, and dangerous organism. They can share genetic information, including vital resistance genes, making the entire community much stronger against your basic cleaning efforts today. Therefore, a quick rinse under the tap is simply not enough to break down this highly fortified microscopic fortress on your watch. You need the chemical power of isopropyl alcohol to effectively dissolve the protective biofilm and destroy the bacterial cell walls completely. The alcohol rapidly denatures the vital proteins inside the bacteria, causing them to literally explode and die within a few seconds. Seeing this violent microscopic destruction under a powerful laboratory lens is both incredibly satisfying and deeply terrifying at the exact same time. It serves as a stark reminder of the invisible, ongoing war between human cleanliness and the relentless adaptability of microscopic life forms. Our modern technology has inadvertently created entirely new artificial ecosystems for these ancient organisms to colonize, thrive, and rapidly multiply within. The smartwatch is just one prime example of how our constant desire for digital connectivity brings us closer to biological contamination. Think about your wireless earbuds, your smartphone screen, and your laptop keyboard. They all host similar, terrifying microscopic jungles of bacteria. However, the smartwatch remains unique because it is physically strapped to your warm, sweaty body for 24 hours a day. It is a constant, intimate companion that shares your every movement, your every drop of sweat, and your every shed skin cell. As we continue to integrate wearable technology deeper into our daily lives, we must also upgrade our personal hygiene habits accordingly. We cannot simply rely on the sleek, futuristic design of these gadgets to protect us from the ancient, invisible world around us. True health tracking is not just about counting your daily steps or monitoring your sleep cycles with a fancy digital application. It is also about ensuring that the very tools we use to stay healthy do not secretly make us terribly sick. So, the next time you strap that expensive piece of technology onto your wrist, take a brief moment to truly think. Ask yourself, when was the last time you actually gave it a proper, thorough cleaning with a strong, effective antibacterial wipe? Your skin will definitely thank you, and you will prevent a potential microscopic uprising right there on your own left arm. Stay vigilant, stay clean, and never underestimate the sheer power and resilience of the invisible world that constantly surrounds us all. Knowledge is your best defense against these unseen invaders that seek to turn your favorite accessories into their new breeding grounds. We hope this deep dive into the hidden world of smartwatch bacteria has completely changed how you view your wearable devices. Thank you for watching Microbe World today. Stay curious, keep your gadgets clean, and we will see you in the next episode.